Welcome to Saasu. Today we're going to have a look at payroll and how to set up pay items within your system so that you can ensure your employees are paid correctly. In Saasu, there are different types of pay items depending on the type of pay that's being paid out to an employee. First we'll click on View and Payroll and then click on the Add button just so that we can see how the pay items are set out on the payroll entry page. Under the pay items heading, you'll see there are headings for wages and salaries, deductions, tax withheld, employer contributions, and entitlements. The wages and salaries items are generally for things such as salary or base pay hourly, and this is also used when you pay out your employees' annual leave and their sick pay. Under this we have deductions. Deductions are anything that's deducted before tax. An example of this would be salary sacrifice super. Next is tax withheld, which is where your PAYG withholding tax and the various types of PAYG withholding tax are added. And under this is your employer contributions. This is generally for the superannuation guarantee contribution. There may be other items that are added underneath this. And finally there's the entitlements. The entitlements are for things such as your annual leave and your personal sick leave. On the payroll page, if you scroll to the top and you select the employee, it will automatically fill with the employee's default set pay items. If you haven't already set these, you can click on View, Employees, open the employee's details, click on the Default Pay tab, and add these here. Whatever is added here will flow through to the payroll entry. You'll see here under the wages and salary there is a small plus sign. You can add the wage and salary item, and you can ensure that the hours, rate and amount are correct. Remembering that if you've set these to auto calculate, they'll simply say auto calc. If the employee has any deductions, you can click on the plus button. Today I'm going to add a deduction for salary sacrifice super, and I'm going to set an amount of $1,000 for this. You'll need to add tax withheld by clicking on the plus button and selecting the appropriate tax. I'm going to select the PAYG withholding, and I'm going to select auto calculate to ensure this auto calculates. Under employer contributions, click on the plus button. I'm going to set this as superannuation guarantee contribution, and again click it to auto calculate. Now do keep in mind that if your employee falls below the $450 a month threshold in payments, they will not need to receive super as per the ATO's specifications. If this is the case, you can simply leave out the super pay item. But today we're going to leave it in. Under entitlements, you can add entitlements for annual leave and for personal sick leave, and set these to auto calculate. These are set to auto calculate on a standard 4 weeks a year annual holiday leave and 10 days a year personal sick leave.